Hello students, this is 1.17. It is first chapter and 17th problem. And the problem is from point A located on a highway, one has to get by car as soon as possible to point B located in the field at a distance L from the highway. It is known that the car moves in the field eta times slower than on the highway. At what distance from point D, one must turn off the highway? This is the diagram. This is the initial point and B is destination. Our aim is to move from A to B. By this is the highway and this is the field where the speed of car is eta times slower than the velocity of car in this highway. So let CD distance is x, suppose. Let CD distance is x. CD distance is, our aim is to move from A to B. Let CD distance is x. We have to travel from A point to B point इन दिस मैनर कि हम पहले हाईवे पर ट्रेवल करेंगे और किसी एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पर अपनी टर्निंग लेकर के फील्ड पे चलने लगेंगे. फ्रॉम पॉइंट ए लोकेटेड ऑन द हाईवे वन हैज टू गेट बाय कार एज सून एज पॉसिबल टू पॉइंट बी located in the field at a distance L from the highway. It is known that the car moves in the field at a time slower than on the highway. At what distance from point D one must turn off the highway? Then consider that AD is a fixed value. Let the distance AD is A. Suppose the distance AD is, let this distance is A. The distance from A to D is considered as A here. Suppose this distance is A and this is X, so this part will be A minus X. Let velocity of car on highway, that velocity of car on highway is V, then on field it will be V by eta, because the speed of car is eta times slower in the field. A minus x distance तक आप हाईवे में ट्रेवल कर रहे हैं, so time taken to travel this A minus x distance will be A minus x by V. Distance over velocity is equal to time. And for traveling this much distance in the field, this distance is under root x square plus l square according to Pythagoras. So time taken to travel this much distance is root of x square plus l square over v upon eta. So we have to find the value of x. मतलब हमें ये बताना है कि हाईवे के किस पॉइंट पर कट लेकर के हमें फील्ड की ओर निकल जाना है, क्योंकि अगर हम पूरा हाईवे ट्रेवल करके इस डायरेक्शन में ट्रेवल करते हुए आते हैं तो हम जानते हैं कि इट टेक्स मोर टाइम इन कंपैरिजन टू द अदर conditions. So from point A located on the highway, one has to get by car as soon as possible to point B located in the field at a distance L from the highway. It is known that the car moves in the field eta times slower than on the highway. At one distance from the point A, one must turn off the highway. So let at a distance x from the point D, one must turn off the highway. So A minus x distance you have to travel in highway. इस A minus x distance में time लगेगा distance over velocity. On highway the velocity is v. And on traveling this much distance in field, time taken will be under root x square plus l square upon v by eta. So total time t is A minus x over v plus eta times root x square plus l square over v. You can take v common, it will be 1 by v A minus x plus eta times root x square plus l square. Now you see that x is the only variable in this problem and we have to minimize the time of traveling. We have to minimize the time located to get by the car as soon as possible to point B. So for minimizing the time, differentiate this time t with respect to x. You will get dt by dx is 1 by v. Differentiation of a is 0, that of x is 1 plus eta. Differentiation of under root x square plus l square is half under root x square plus l square and 2x also. This the differentiation we used here is x square plus l square to the power half, and the formula is x to the power n. The differentiation of x to the power n is nx to the power n minus 1. So x square plus l square is considered as x here. और हम जानते हैं कि x की पावर n का डिफरेंशिएशन n, it is half x to the power n minus 1. So n is half here, so half minus 1 is negative half. So differentiation of this part by considering this as x will be half denominator under root x square plus l square, and we have to differentiate x square again, so it will be 2x also. So this is differentiation of last part. Now as the principle of maxima minima, compare this equal to 0, then you will get this equal to 0, and in next line it will be minus 1 plus eta x over under root x square plus l square equal to 0. So eta x will be equal to under root x square plus l square. Now taking squares on both the sides, eta square x square is x square plus l square, and now on solving, x will be equal to l divided by eta square minus 1 under root. So eta by under root l over under root eta square minus 1 is the distance where the car make a turn off from the highway. So this is the answer. कैसे कैलकुलेट किया एक बार और समझिए कि A से B तक ट्रेवलिंग में हमें अपना रूट ऐसे डिसाइड करना है कि हमें मिनिमम टाइम लगे, लेकिन ये बात ध्यान रखनी है कि जब तक हम हाईवे में चलेंगे हमारा स्पीड v है और फील्ड में आते ही v बाई ईटा हो जाएगा, मतलब डाउन स्लो हो जाएगा. सो हमने डिसाइड किया कि D पॉइंट से x डिस्टेंस पर हम एक ऐसा पॉइंट कैलकुलेट करना चाहते हैं जिस पर हम टर्न लेंगे. टर्न ऑफ द हाईवे इट मीन्स कि हम हाईवे को छोड़ करके अपनी फील्ड पे आ जाएंगे. So for traveling this much distance a minus b, time taken is a minus x by v, distance over velocity is time, and for traveling this much distance in field, this is by Pythagoras. So this much distance you can cover in this much time. Time is distance over velocity. So इस पूरी प्रोसेस का टोटल टाइम को प्रॉपरली अरेंज करके हमने dt by dx किया. ये इसीलिए किया क्योंकि टाइम का मिनिमा कैलकुलेट करना है x की किसी पर्टिकुलर वैल्यू के लिए. So that x for which time will be minimum is this. जैसा मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ, फिर कहूँगा कि अगर आप इसे एक बार और डिफरेंशिएट करके d स्क्वायर t बाई डी एक्स स्क्वायर निकालें और x की वैल्यू ये पुटअप करें तो आपको एक पॉजिटिव आउटपुट मिलेगा. वो आप खुद प्रैक्टिस करके देखें और मैं कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ कि वो चीज़ आप खुद एक्वायर कर सकते हैं. रही बात इसके डिफरेंशिएशन की, तो आप समझते हैं इट इज x टू द पावर n, और चूंकि डिफरेंशिएशन में किसी टर्म को अगर x की जगह रिप्लेसमेंट दिया जा रहा है तो उसे एक बार और डिफरेंशिएट करना होगा. सो डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ x स्क्वायर इज 2x अगेन. सो बाय सॉल्विंग दिस वी विल गेट x इक्वल टू l over under root x square minus 1. दिस इज द डिस्टेंस वेयर वी शुड मेक अ टर्न. थैंक यू.